So yeah, we finna get something to eat and we're gonna talk to y'all when we're gonna try to get to the gate. So I got some chicken wings, some hash browns,
soul snatcher. I'm with a booster, a scholar, and a pole dancer. Pussy nigga call my phone, he won't get no answer. Fuck these niggas, fuck them, and fuck these hoes too. You can't fuck with me, fuck what a bitch told you. Sexy black motherfucker, yeah. Name on the wood, I'm watching Jimmy Butler. Since I came home, I've been killing every summer. Real boss bitch, and I started as a runner. Titties and pretty, and I'm looking like a snack. 40-inch bust down, you know that bitch black. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She think that she's fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She think that she's fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Do not disturb, bitch, I'm with my nigga. Okay, stout name play.
So we just finna chill and then we're gonna go eat dinner later. So I'll talk to y'all when I get ready. Hey y'all, we get ready. We gonna peace out all social media. Look at our mirror, y'all. Looking like Valentine. Right. This is my outfit. This is my sister outfit. Period. And it's Jada outfit. So we'll talk to y'all when we get the car.
Cause when I need money, I ain't tryna holler. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to date me. Told him go put my name on that account because when I need money, I ain't tryna wait. I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this. Hey, bitch, I do rich shit. My money thick. Hey, walk with a limp. I'm on some pimp shit. Hey, he say you all about money. Yeah, I'm on that cash shit. I'm in my bag, bitch. I'm on your ass, bitch. I'm in that new shit. You on that last year. Bitch, I do pimp shit. Oh, you on simp shit. Hey.
Bitches love me, why? Cause baby don't give a fuck. What you do? I be fixing the weed while she sucking my dick, pull it out, then I take.
Okay, y'all, so it's day 2. Today we're going to go to the yacht and then we're going to go to the club. But right now we're finna go to the grocery store to go get some stuff to eat on the yacht. And we just got on a cute little sundress. Say hi, Jay. So yeah, we're finna take some pictures. Then we'll talk to y'all when we get in the car. Oh yeah, so this is everything we got. Yeah, Treat That restaurant.
Keep this shit outside. They said she ain't never seen shit else, but oh, come on. I ain't surprised. I got motion. This really book this fat boy show all day on trial. Lost face. Fucking with fat nigga, ain't no plan both sides. Nigga, we don't give a fuck who I. Fuck up my energy, nigga. Okay. Just be very careful. Okay.
Oh, I'm not.
Based on stressed out.
No, ma'am. Let you do What a light. What a light. No, the light I'm on. It's her birthday.
Bet you one thing, bet you niggas won't bet 'em. Take off, you know I'm gon' jet 'em. Road trips ain't shit, no I go
Poor fucking Hawaiian Rose. Oh.
So many shoes
Give me a
that I can't. Got a red chick in my coat, got a girl doing coke. We drink up and we smoke, but she always do the most. It kinda turned me on the way she licking on my stones. Got a chain on and a freeze, and like I got it wrong. When skis get more sassy, I got better emotions. She called me a dog. Tell me your availability, I want all of you. It's like that, it's like that. Like that, like that. I expect no get feisty. Can't tell you like that. Right, give me smoking. That pretty boy do it.
Let's go.
Let's get it. Turn me on the way she looking on my stones. My chain on
Who birthday?
like I made her
What season it is?
Gemini. She called me a god, but I brought it in her ocean. She want somebody else to be my baby, on my bride.
Come on.
I don't want no ice cream truck, just know my eyes freeze. Man, I read a text.
I hope you post it for real.
Man, I know she ducking off with her side me. Who you know gon' hit it raw, baby, besides me?
We drank up and we smoked.
Hey.
My chains on and a freeze, it look like I made a clone. But see you get my sassy, I got better keep. Keep all over the focus, cause it's easy, forget the mission. And the difference is in love, and loyalty, and commitment. And to give it if you get it, cause it's real, it's our rule. Really shit I ever smoke, but I'm to the top of that. I'm really shit I ever broke. They know I got that rocket, so I keep that hot on me. Don't get caught without me. Coming from where I'm from, don't be teasing hammer. Ride down the camera. Fresh so clean on my way to Charlotte. On for my city, on for my city.
Today we're gonna go eat brunch. JJ, say hey to your sister for her birthday.
Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the foreign, I swerve. Keep me a stick if they purge. Young gun on one that they working my nerves. I'm about to pause to serve. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack from the back, grab a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can't merge. So with no hands, you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt. I'm in the QP. I love my bitches, it's pretty. They showing their titties, it's up to the ceiling. I let her run through a million, I rock with her really, let's fuck on a billion. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home of the villains. Ecstasy, wonderful feeling. Smoke out the pound when I'm chillin'. Trappin', I make me a killer. Look, I got everybody wishing. I hope you pay your position. I don't want nobody listening. I see the whole precision. Give us my only decision. Don't got no run that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right on the curb? Make the spread fly like a bird. Spin on the front.
Okay, so we just came back for ATV, and this is my outfit. Gonna go watch the group and go to the beach.
When Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch. I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch. I said what I said. I was down bad, and they left your boy for dead. She say, girl, that fat nigga keep a loaf of bread. I still got powerhouses coming through on mopeds. I'ma still run that check up like I got 4 legs.
We still finna watch the group.
We gotta walk back.
Can we come back and get it? Okay, y'all, we at Redhead Burgers.
When Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist.
Okay, y'all, so it's the last day. We're on the way to the airport. And I guess I'll talk to y'all when we get to the airport. It's my birthday, y'all. So make sure y'all send me a. This is my going back outfit.
Yeah. Been through me the alley hoop, I fucked around the dunk. Got the small talk, I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like when Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch. I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back.